People that hear the sound of abundance, people that hear the sound of the rain, they sound strange to those who don't. Faith sounds crazy until it starts raining. Elijah said there is a sound of abundance of rain. To me, that begs the question, what is the sound of abundance? What was he hearing? There were no clouds in the sky, no wind was blowing, no moisture was rising. I believe the sound of abundance is the sound of heaven interrupting the earth. When God speaks abundance, heaven's atmosphere begins to invade earth's atmosphere. Amen. Before a drop of rain ever hits the ground, before a cloud ever gathers in the sky, before provision shows up at the door, something shifts in the realm of the Spirit. It's the sound of God's presence invading your reality. Faith doesn't listen to present drought. Faith listens to the promise of God.